Hey everyone, trying to access Tamilrockers but keep hitting those annoying blocks? No worries, I've got the solution. Let me show you how to unblock Tamilrockers with Mina VPN and how to use Mina VPN. First, download Mina VPN from Google Play or the App Store. It's super easy to set up. Once it's installed, just pick a server location where Tamilrockers isn't blocked and you're good to go. Mina VPN is awesome because it's super fast, so no buffering while you stream. Plus, it keeps your data secure with top-notch encryption and doesn't log your online activity. Total privacy guaranteed. And the best part? It works on all your devices, whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer. So, if you're ready to unblock Tamilrockers, download Mina VPN today and enjoy seamless access to all your favorite content. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips.